The most important fact that you need to know about your air conditioner is that you are not putting cold air in your house to cool it. What you're doing is taking heat out of the house by this fan. When I run my hand around this fan, I feel heat. That's heat coming out of your house. Now I'll give you a couple of facts to make sure that you can always remember that water will boil at 212 degrees. Now water will freeze at 32 degrees. So if you take that 212 degree water and put it inside your freezer, it's going to have to remove 180 degrees of heat in order to get down to 32. Now if you had 32 degree water, in order to get it up to 212, you're going to have to boil that water. So you're either removing heat or adding heat. So one more fact that you should never forget is cold does not exist. It's the absence of heat and the resulting conditions is cold. Go to my page, subscribe, and I'll be dropping this knowledge on you for years to come. Just call me Class and don't forget it. Peace out.